Hi, my name is Myeshia Jefferson, and I'm just reaching out to organizations and take a closer look at how workforce well-being, retention, and social impact are truly showing up for their people. I'm the founder of Beauty Makes Cents LLC, MyDe Wellness, and the co-founder of Delane's Natural Nail Care, which is a trusted, community-rooted nail care brand with years of experience building relationships with clients and hands-on services to our community. Together, all of this work sits at the intersection of preventive health, employee well being, and community centered care using one of the most overlooked early indicators of burnout and chronic health risk our hands, nails, and feet. Don't mind my attire, I've been working out. But I did want to stop and just say many organizations offer pampering experiences, and those moments do matter. But what we've learned is that pampering alone isn't enough. What's needed is pampering experiences and more education, early awareness, trust building, and clear pathways to ongoing care. Through my Petals Wellness Suite and Mighty Wellness app, we partner with organizations to deliver wellness activations, preventive education, and early risk awareness that feels human, respected, and aligned with long term goals. I'm sharing this short visual recap of some of my work. You won't see everything, and that's intentional because what happens is much of this work is intimate and in trusted environments where privacy and dignity come first. The impact we leave goes far beyond what the photo or video can capture. Let's share a little bit. I did my TEDx talk, and it now has reached over 40,000 views. And I'm very excited because now many organizations are reaching out across the globe. And I'm entering this next chapter as an international speaker and teacher, including my upwork in Ghana. With that being said, I wanted to expand, but before I do that, I wanted to reach out to those that are local and regional community and partner with you guys first. For 2026, we are aligning and opening limited pilot opportunities with three organizations and or entities, organizations, nonprofits, entities to really shape the earliness of helping this look at scale. And this approach has also been validated. I did win a Silicon Valley pitch competition, but none of that really matters if alignment doesn't make a long-term impact. And so I'm preparing this year to partner with organizations that really want to see this kind of work happen. And this is a part of their social impact. And please let me know if this works for you. And I'd love to follow up by email. But I just wanted to send this video really quick to make it more personal. So thank you.